Welcome back. It's the same day of stage streaming. Subscribe, comment, drop a like if you haven't. And it's not syncing my lip. I don't know why, but it should. Today we just did our Flutter program. Not Flutter program. Daily streak on binary search. And picking up from last time, we were basically copy and pasting code into the correct sessions. We were copying down here, but it should be up here under the, what's that called? Random word states. And when we run it, we get this startup name generator. So you were smart enough to resize. And we scroll. That's what we did last time. Today, I guess we'll dig deeper into Flutter. So we were 1, 2, 3, 4. We were number 4 last time. This time we see learn more and then what this stuff are. There are also some tutorials which are quite interesting. Other widgets appear using a modern framework. Takes the inspiration from React. You may copy and paste. The central idea is that you build your UI out of widgets. Widgets describe what their view should look like given their current configuration and state. When a widget state changes, widget equals view, right? The widget rebuilds its description, which the framework diffs against previous description in order to determine the minimum change. Which is like kind of like a compiler, not compiler, kind of like a grouper. It groups the view and interpretation to description. Hey, Bacadoreo. Welcome back. First internship, huh? Get ready for whiteboard questions. I think you will nail it. What year are you in? Are you a freshman or are you a high schooler? Also, FYI, I think Fang released like 10k entry level / internship positions. Oh, 11th grade. Putting pressure on the E3s. That's good. Hey. There's a saying, the ones who know, do. The ones who understand, teach. So teaching is very good. It makes you better at the materials too. You'll be surprised how hard it is to explain to kids. To me at least. So get the run app, the widget Yeah, you do good. Like especially if you write about if you put that teaching experience in your resume or something, or if you have like hacker rank and like top 100 or something. I don't know. It will boost your chance greatly. And don't forget us. Post our link in the company internal advertisement channel. No, JK. Okay, nothing fancy, just run app, hello world. Man, I low-key regret not doing this earlier. Could post it in several big places. Run a function takes the given widget and makes it the root of the widget tree. In this example, the widget consists of two widgets. Center widget and the text widget, which is the child of the center widget. The root widget will cover the screen. Material app, which is used, takes care of the text direction, etc. It makes sense. Sometimes you want to go slanted to make some art or whatever. A safe area widget is also used to properly pad the text. It appears below the display on the top of the screen. When writing an app, you commonly author new widgets that are subclasses of either status widgets or stateful widget. Widget's main job is to implement a build function. Oh really? It's kinda close. Doing a really bad job checking my lips. Like really bad job. Is it lagging? I can't tell. Anyway. Render object class. Show much text, not reading it. You know, it's kind of fun to play around with the avatar sometimes. There's some like hotkeys to make facial expressions too. Kinda hard when you only have one screen. Because you don't see what face you're making. basic widgets. Basically, widgets is like status or stateful, and then it handles the building of the wheel, kind of. That's my understanding. Yeah, indeed, a very handsome fellow, man, with the gold and blue eyes. Got widget, we got text, row and column, stack. What a stack? A linear oriented, one on top of the other. Container. That's the Swift. I think that's Swift. And that too. A broken dance all night long, easily, no problem at all. Swift is the language for Apple apps, yes, correct. They use the same nomenclature, a solid container too. Circular, rectangular, visual element. What does that mean? So, kind of like a rectangle to box things. It's funny, one of my internship was writing an app connecting an app to run experiment stations. And I was supposed to be a hardware engineer, electrical engineer. So really, it's not about your major, it's about what you know. Even more fun is that I forgot most of the Swift stuff. I think I just like open up different files and copy and paste different snippets and piece it together. And that's my internship. And they love it because the product worked. We're all happy. Below are some simple widgets. There's our other widgets. A container with a scaffold. Then we have X, I guess, kind of. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, honestly, I feel like that was closer to a software job than a hardware job. Okay. How do you comment out these things? Scaffold. This part is example title. Oh, the search is here. This is the search. Container. The icon button. Navigation menu. Okay. Okay. Gee, do you think you could help me with the binary search questions? Maybe? Let's post it here. If I can help you. Some others can too. Okay, we can look at it after 10:30. DFS, and that's like the only thing I know how to do with trees. I cannot do any other search method. Okay, we know what's what. Icon button is kind of looks like a default thing. It's a row. How do you put example title here though? Interesting. Container is all this without example or okay. Be sure to have used this material design. Should use predefined set of material icons to generate guided inquiry design. Okay. Probably useful to have this navigation icon because it's like a design language and the users are more used to it. Any material design widgets needs to be inside material app to display properly. In order to inherit theme data, therefore run the application with the material app. My app bar widget creates a container. It's 50 device independent pixels. There's a row to organize the is expanded to fill up the space. Scaffold. So we have the app bar and then we have the okay. My app bar, this is like calling a function. Passes the title in there. And we can look at where app bar takes into the title. Row children, education manual, press child title. Okay. Even though it's like part of the to understand this child relationship, was it for? scaffolds like putting up and down the bar and then the text. Expand the remaining space. Basically raise the bar and then fill the rest, and then this expanded has some text in it. Okay, that's what I meant. Okay, let's jump. Material components. Let's run it first. Number widgets. Material app starts with material app widget. Of useful widgets, including navigator. Let you transition smoothly between screens of your application. This is like the main, and then these are defining functions to be run here. So tutorial home is here. Then we have tutorial home, the build of tutorial home. How to build it, use a scaffold, up and down. Up you have an app bar. Then unpressed. You do nothing when pressed. Example title. The center if expanded to fill it. Take action button. This one. Add. Okay, we have this underneath. There's nothing. Oh, what was it doing? A scaffold. I was just using the default one rather than writing a personal one. It's kind of implementing it here. As widget as inputs to another widget. Handling gestures. Interactive. That's why that on press run, right? Engage. Button was tab. Guess on tab is the default argument. When the user taps the container, the gesture detector calls the on-tap callback. Interesting, they'll build onto a gesture detector. It's like combining a container and the on-tap action. On-tap action callback. Okay. That's good for this time. Let's go back to Python search and help buffer in here. Thanks for watching. Continue next time. Probably we'll start doing tutorials. Learn things faster than dry reading. Anyway, take care.